123net is positioned as a communications innovator here in Detroit, Michigan, and Michigan in general.
Started up with dial-up back in the days, and as technology has grown and changed, we've grown and changed with it. We think of ourselves as a 20-year-old startup. We're always looking for what the next technology is. We want to make sure that we're there, ready to provide that.
At 123net, we deliver a custom-built solution. So all the things that we do, we're always looking at the customer's needs and understanding what it takes to give them the best reliable services possible. We deployed a new fixed wireless solution for the temporary TEDx event at Fox Theater in Detroit.
Our infrastructure within Detroit itself lends itself between fixed wireless and fiber connectivity. We're able to do things what a lot of other companies cannot, and that's really set things up in a very short time period.
What that comprises us going up on top of the Fox Theater, installing one of our new licensed multi-point systems that we have exclusive use for in the Detroit metropolitan area. This system allowed us to deliver a full symmetrical 250 meg service to the customer within 2.5 hours from the time we arrived on site to the time we ran a speed test and delivered the circuit to the customer.
123net provides a lot of value in making sure that all the attendees are able to share communications globally, whether they're streaming live video, live feeds, sharing things on social networks. It's endless. We have that experience and that background knowing what will it take and providing and putting in the mechanisms that are critical and necessary for people to have a very positive experience and to be able to communicate globally.
The strength of our company is, of course, our team, and our wireless division is no exception. Having a team that knows the industry and having a passion for it is one of the things that make a big difference.
Customers see 123net as a solution to their problems. I think first and foremost, there's a lot of connectivity challenges out there. We have a wide variety of service offerings that can solve those problems for our customers.
We have the talent, the engineering, the right staff to go ahead and take us to another level of future.